Welcome friends again. So today word of the day is raze. Its meaning is completely destroy. It's a verb. So now we're gonna use it into sentence like that. Villages were razed to the ground. The next word of the day is borrow. It's a verb and the meaning of the word is to take by request. So the example of the word is he had borrowed a car from one of his colleagues. So now we move on to the next word, and the next word is pursuit, and the meaning of the word is search. It's a noun. So now we're gonna use it into an example like that. He left home in pursuit of happiness. And the next word is fickle, and its meaning is changeable. For example, my friend is fickle by nature.